Hi guys, so this is Grace again and welcome back again to our channel.
GNV Enterprise.
For today's video, we are here right now at GNV Enterprises we are in the chicken coop. So it's been 2 weeks and not been do some video because
So busy.
so busy here and just not feeling good also. So we are here at the chicken coop. So chicken has been playing each other right now. So most of them is been hanging here on this side. So we put some clean water here also there, as you can see, and we collected 6 eggs today, fresh eggs. So it's nice. So we also sell some of our eggs. There's one of our neighbor here wants to buy, and also we sell it in affordable price. So hopefully it will continue that we having lots of customers because it helps us to buy the feeds, and also we've been feeding them some morning glory or kangkong. We call it kangkong here. So they almost eat it all, as you can see here.
Wild spinach.
It's
Wild spinach.
Wild spinach, spinach. As you can see here. They almost ate it all. So let's check the chicks here. They're getting bigger. So we transferred all the chicks in our pullet pin.
We got what, 43 there now?
Yeah, we have 43 chicks here. They're getting bigger, guys. Some of them keep pushing this door, then one of them escaped, the baby one, because there's a small hole here. Then she just escaped. Then my friend Bashon is been getting him there outside. So as you can see, that's our chicks. So we have 43 chicks here. As you can see that they are getting bigger. And they've been eating there.
It won't be long we'll be able to turn them loose.
Yeah, maybe about 2 to 3 weeks, right?
Yeah,
We're gonna turn them loose. So that's the black astrolurp there at the back.
That way we can get it cleaned out good for the next batch.
There. So we've been do some egg candling the other night, and some of them are very we can see their heartbeat. It's very fast. So hopefully that we have luck on that egg there in the incubator. But most of them we can see their heartbeat is very fast. So I know that they will okay. But some of them is been hiding the heartbeat, but hopefully all are okay. And we've been take out 3 eggs because it's not fertile. So we have
about a week away.
23 eggs there in the incubator now instead of 27. Huh?
Less than a week away with hatching.
Yeah, it will be hatching less than a week. So we'll be turning off the incubator. I mean,
The rollers.
huh?
The rollers.
The rolling. Yeah, they're very active. The roaster. As you can see.
That's because little John is starting to be pushing back now.
So some of them here are much bigger now. The first batch. They're scared of me. So we have that Selkie chicken.
Black Silky.
Yeah, this is the black Selkie here. Look at that. That's the black Selkie. Closer. That's the black Selkie. Hi. The black one are more friendly. The black Australorp.
Yeah.
You are more friendly.
The Silkies are too.
I've been trying to. Some of them is attached with them. Some of the chicks are very attached to us now. They're very cute. Look at that. There's one chick, the black. What's that? Is that the chick? The chicken?
Yeah.
The hen? Daddy, they don't want to eat the.
The big chicks will.
They're not ready for that. So they've been eating there. It's really cute. Hungry. So I'm so thankful that excuse me, that our chicks now is very active and they're not getting sick, and especially for this hot weather that really that I'm glad that it not affect them, and hopefully that they will grow much more healthy. And as you can see, they've been eating good also. See, I like this brown one. It's so nice. The cute, so cute. We are loaded with chicken.
About 3 months, you'll have some of those ones again.
Yeah, if we maybe by December we can have a lots of eggs, and we can share it to our neighbor here, especially when we have that Christmas party here. Hopefully we can give them some eggs, our neighbor here, and hopefully that everything turns good by that time, and maybe we can start selling dozens of eggs by September, baby.
Should be able to September.
September.
Yeah.
September or August. September, yeah, like that. So it helps for the feeds, because we've been buying around 1,900 for one sack of the feeds, for the chicken feeds.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will help us when we sell that egg. It helps us a lot for the foods.
Roughly $35 a sack.
They've been climbing here. They're so
The big
cute.
chicks go after that. Look,
Huh?
the big chicks go after the food.
The small one ate that also.
Yeah,
I've been worried if it. Huh?
high in protein. Good for them.
I know, but maybe it's not. They're not ready for that now because it's too big for them.
They won't eat that much of it. They're just
My husband gave some. What you called with this?
Huh?
What you called with that?
This is corn and
Yeah.
oats.
My
and,
husband has been trying to give them some corn and
oats.
some oats.
Look like I don't know what other seeds are in there.
Look at the black
It's
one.
variety of seeds.
So we have this clean water here, and also we have some vitamins there in the other side.
Very high in protein.
They're very enjoyable to watch. That's Selkie there, the white one. That's Selkie, that one. It's very cute.
They get older. They look like they're wearing a wig.
Yeah, looks like she's wearing a wig. Very enjoyable to watch. Look at that. There's more here at my back. I'm glad that they're very healthy.
That's where we set our lot up. Give them space and we keep everything clean. That's the main thing.
Looks like they are very comfortable here. He wants my attention. Look at that. The other one ba wants to play with me. Look at that. Very cute. Look at daddy. Look at this one. She's very friendly. Look. Just want to hang with me. Hi. Hello. I don't know if it's female or male. Hi. Hi. Just don't poop on me.
It might be him.
Hi. Why you're so cute? Oh, I turn you loose. You're so
Come
friendly. Right. Come here. Come here. Come. Come. I love to play with them. Hi. This is the black astrolabe here. La 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 la.
Careful.
Oh, they're big now.
Virgil, you want to play with us? It's Virgil here.
They're big.
Yeah, they're getting big. Hi.
Pick you one up.
Pick one, Virgil. Pick one.
See?
Maybe the silky, the white one.
Yeah.
That's soft.
Yeah, look at the silky over there.
This one.
Yeah.
The white one, the big one. Careful, ha? Careful, Virgil. Don't scare them.
Yeah.
I saw.
Virgil is there.
There's a black one too.
Careful. Don't scare them. Just walk slowly.
They'll come to you if you just sit down and take your time.
Yeah, just sit down.
Not mommy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Don't stand up, but just sit down. Hi. Another one here. Hi.
Look.
Yeah, there you go. Virgil's hand.
Yeah. Huh? He's so cute. Very enjoyable.
I really want to touch that one. Looks like half.
A wig.
Yeah.
And there's a black one like that too.
Where?
You have to look for it. It's hard to spot because it's colored.
Yeah, the brown one is very friendly, and also the black one.
Well, the brown ones are, you know what they are, don't you?
The
Look, see?
Those right there?
yeah, what is that?
Those are the Rhode Island Reds.
Yeah, Rhode Island Red. Yeah.
Silkies
Yeah.
are expensive.
Mhm.
How much?
I'm not gonna
They're about
bite.
double
I'm not
what the
gonna
others are.
bite. I just want to play.
Oh,
Virgil,
my God.
Virgil, no, dili na.
Almost.
That's, Virgil, that's enough. Because you're not gonna hurt them.
I want to touch the silky.
Virgil, you scared them.
No, you don't,
Yeah.
don't get them excited.
Just calm down, Virgil. They're scared.
They'll come to you.
Yeah, just sit down there.
Well, they don't,
Oh, they're here.
they're birds. They don't understand. See? If you calm, they'll come to you.
Yeah, just
Oh, yeah.
See?
yeah.
Even a silky will come over next to you.
Please, I want to touch.
Don't make no fast movements. Just be slow.
Yeah, you're not supposed to be move fast because you scare them.
Ay, sa bayan. Ay, sa. No, kana, kung pote dyan, kung langgam. Silky man na. Kana.
Look at them.
Ay, sa'yo, butang ba? Dili man na
Just be
maudyo.
slow, Virgil. Just let them go.
Virgil,
Just be slow.
sit down, sit
Just
down.
going down.
Go see, you scared them.
I want to touch.
It's okay.
They don't want to be touched right now.
Naglanggam po din mo.
They're over here at the back. So I'm gonna go out. Virgil, let's go out. Virgil, please.
They will run, Mom.
Yeah, I know.
Kaya katagang si Mama nagpakuan dire god, but nanilhek. Nahadlok sila sa silhek. Hanapok ko sila ng kilid-kilid.
Sometimes they are scared when someone trying to get them, and we don't want it to happen. That's why we tell Virgil to walk slowly, or he needs to be like sit down and not grab it directly because it's scared them. So I'm here out. So the hen and the rooster they've been walking around. It's another hot day today. It's almost 6 in the afternoon, and there's some chicken here again. We can't wait that the chicks will get bigger and we turn them loose here. It'd be very enjoyable to watch here outside because they are many.
We'll have to put the roosters up when we do that.
So I just not want to be a long video. So I think that's it for today.
Are you sure?
I just want to show you guys our chicken, the update of our chicken, and we really do appreciate all of you for watching my videos, and to all my new subscribers out there, thank you so much again for subscribing my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. So thank you so much guys for the love and support. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So until my next videos, thank you again and God bless us. Bye for now. Daddy, baby.